How to remove effects or filters on Instagram Reels. First of all, head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Head over to the Reels section. It will open up your gallery. Select any of the picture or the video that you want to post as a reel. So let me select this picture for now. Tap on it. Now tap on this icon at the top. It will show you different effects or the filters that are available on Instagram. Tap on whichever effect that you want to add to the post. Let's say I want to add this effect. Tap on it. There you go, this effect has been successfully added to your reel. Now as you're looking for on how to remove effects or the filter on Instagram Reel, what you have to do is once again tap on this icon at the top. Now you just have to tap on the effect or the filter that you have just added. And there you'll get to see that the effects has been successfully removed. Likewise, you can remove any effects or the filter that you want on Instagram Reels. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.